What's up, LapuLapu Autosales? So karon yard data, natay na daog nga sakyanan ug pato siya kabuok. Wow, natay Mirage nga 2021 automatic. We also have duha ka Livina 23 and 24, and we also have Mitsubishi L300 nga 2024. 23 days sorry no. So I'll explain to you guys sa atong next video nga nung majority of our inventory is coming from the bank. And then the other is from direct owners. So ato nang i-share sa next video, but for now, kuyog sa ta. Let's go! Alright, so we just arrived here at Park Mall. Lalantay signan nga documents, deed of sale. So kuha na to siya, good as sold na to sa ato. So let's go, kulig ta. First unit, L3.
What is that? What the fuck is that?
Pasta, bangga. Second unit, Nissan Livina 2023. Guys, gwapo pa kayo, baka masulti. Mga na gina siya. As is where is. Kani, may L3. L300 FB dual aircon 2023. Selling it for 785. Alright, so manata sa usa ka yarda. Finally! Papiki na kayong oras guys. So, aris ata sa Civic. So, as mentioned gahapon, schedule naman Civic for viewing karon. And then, if maayo yung unit at ang paliton, since confirm na mga papers, and then balik pa yarda na sad. So, let's go! So meanwhile, nag-check pa si Junard sa makina ato sa i-check ang yung exterior o interior niya.
You bitch, you make that deal?
I make that deal.
I don't blame you. Damn good deal.
So guys, this is our third unit, Mitsubishi Mirage nga 2021 automatic yapon ni. So station na mo, nag-post na mo ani, barato ra kay atong baligya ni. So we're starting at 445, negotiable pa. Alright guys, so muna itong final unit, Nissan Livina nga 2024. Hinug ba kayo ni 5,000 pay dagan, and we're selling it for 895. So thank you guys sa pag-uwing na to karon. Dili lang ta kutob. Thank you.
LapuLapu Autosales. Number one.